we go back to where we left off at, just a few questions, just a few additional questions. You talked about during your investigation back in 2015, you were able to go to social media and pull things from social media. Is that fair to say?
Yes.
All right. And even after 2015, did you still pull or were able to view social media of individuals that were a part of that 2015 investigation?
Yes.
You have permission to approach?
You may.
I'm going to show you what's been marked as State's Exhibit 1TT and 544Y. Can you please tell if you recognize what's in first State's Exhibit 1TT?
Yes.
And did you pull that from social media?
Yes.
And is that a fair and accurate depiction of the picture in which you pulled from social media that contains a blue car and an individual standing on a blue car?
Yes.
You're on this time to say like the Tender States Exhibit 1TT into evidence. 1TT into evidence.
All right, that's admitted.
And then also looking at State's Exhibit 544Y, is that a picture that you pulled from the Instagram of, whose Instagram is that? Let me ask.
It appears to be Shannon Stillwell.
And what was the Instagram handle?
OG_Bull, BOOL.
And
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Could you use the microphone, please? Thank you.
And is there a date on that image?
March 28th of 2015.
Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender State's Exhibit 544Y into evidence.
It's admitted.
Your Honor,
Yeah.
I do have a
sorry.
specific objection.
Okay.
I can approach now, or I can approach before it's published.
I guess go ahead and approach now.
I'm going to also show you what's been marked as State's Exhibit 545Y. Do you recognize State's Exhibit 545Y?
Yes.
And what is it State's Exhibit 545Y?
It's a post from Mr. Stillwell's Instagram.
Okay. And was that also pulled in, appear to be have been posted in 2015?
Yes, same date as the other picture.
Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender State's Exhibit 545Y into evidence.
I'm just renewing my objection from when we litigated these before.
Okay, it is admitted. All of the objections that were made before are preserved, and as to 544Y, that's admitted, subject to whatever modification the two of you agreed to.
And preserving the objection.
Sure.
Thank you.
All right.
First showing State's Exhibit 543Y. Excuse me, 544Y. Now, looking at State's Exhibit 1TT, why was
Mr. Weinstein.
Your Honor, this one you cannot fix. This is bad character evidence that came in. The state should have prepared their witness. I move for a mistrial. This absolutely cannot be unheard by the jury. It was heard clear as day in his deep, sonorous voice. They have heard it. They have absorbed it. It cannot be fixed. 404A, Your Honor.
I'll hear whatever response the state might be able to make on that.
Your Honor, that was not the state's intention.
I'm sure it wasn't.
Your Honor, that wasn't even, that response didn't even come across my mind that would even have come out of our witness's mouth, Your Honor. The state's intention was to solely talk about the vehicle that he was standing on and the fact that he was standing on that vehicle. If you can just give us an opportunity just to look at some case law just to see if we can.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. How many times has this man testified in a trial? How long has he been I know he's a retired investigator. How long has he been an investigator? He knows he is not supposed to say that, Your Honor.
I would find it surprising if he isn't aware that that's not supposed to come out. I do not believe that the state intended to elicit that, and I think that you actually yourself acknowledged up here at the bench that you don't believe that was the state's intention.
I do not believe it was their intention.
Nonetheless, it happened. I'm going to give y'all about 15 minutes or so to
Thank you, Your
find
Honor.
whatever you might be able to find.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.